Awesome. This is an awesome gun. The Beretta Pietro Beretta US 9mm. Yeah. It's more looks real than I showed you last year, my Beretta Silver. Cause so many scratches like a real gun, so every people would treat this as a real gun. Looks scratch here, scratch there, and oh, many scratch here, here also, and the red is missing, so I will paint it later. The trigger's not working. It's not working at all. But it is an awesome gun, yeah. Look. Look. Awesome. Okay guys, so for now this is my tutorial, and hope you guys enjoy it. Paint it metallic black, not black, because it's like this. It's not more than looks real. This is a shiny black or metallic black. Okay guys, that's for now, and have a nice day guys. Bye.